if your Instagram account keeps crashing, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix that. So the first thing you will have to do is to head over to a browser, and sometimes there can be a problem with Instagram's own servers. So in that case you will have to head over to any of your browser and then type in is Instagram down. After that you will have to open Down Detector website, and if you see a spike here, like right now there's no spike. If you see a spike right here, you have to like it's a problem with Instagram's own servers and you can't do anything right now. You have to wait for them to get stabilized and then you will be able to use it smoothly. But if there is no spike like right now, there might be an issue inside your app. So in that case you will have to head over to the settings of your phone and then tap on general, then go into iPhone storage and then look for Instagram account, Instagram app, then tap on it. Now we are gonna clear the cache of Instagram app, and for that you will simply have to tap on offload app, then hit offload again. Now after some time you will get an option of reinstall apps, so you will have to tap on it, and basically it will clear all the cache and which will help you to fix bugs and glitches in the app. So if you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button below. It really supports the channel, and comment down below if you got stuck anywhere. I'll definitely help you out.